Hey everyone, today's math story. Time for today's math story. So we're going to continue with Sam and the captain story. Remember, they were on a ship and pirates attacked them, and so they fed the pirates Sam's fruit pieces mixed with some corn from the captain. So what happened next was the pirates ate that, and the pirate captain said, "Oh my goodness, that's the best thing I've ever eaten." Except it's a little bit dry. So the pirate captain decided that rather than steal the money in the ship from Sam and the captain, instead he was just going to take the recipe for the food that they'd given him because he liked it that much. So it's little fruit pieces and little corn pieces. So he took the recipe from Sam and then he sailed off in his ship with his pirates. When he sailed away, he decided he was going to go straight to an island because he wanted to figure out what was wrong with that food and how to fix it. So he went straight to an island, and when he got to the island, he went straight to a village. And when pirates walk into a village, people get really scared. They're like, "Oh no, pirates are coming!" So the pirates came up, and people were like, "Ah, don't hurt us, don't hurt us." The pirates like, "Hey, we're not gonna hurt you. We just want a cow." And they're like, "Oh yep, take a cow, take a cow." So one of the villagers went and got a cow for him, walked it to him, and they're like, "Please leave, please leave." The pirate's like, "Fine, we'll leave." So they walked around to the other side of the island, made some more of that food, and the pirate captain said, "You know what? The reason we got the cow is because I'm going to put milk on this." So he took a coconut, got out his sword, and he goes, whoosh, and his sword stuck. Darn it. So then he takes the sword with the coconut on it and goes, bang, bang. Finally, he breaks the coconut in half, pours out the coconut milk, then he puts in the food from Sam, and then he's like, gives it to one of the pirates and says, "You need to milk the cow for me." So when you milk a cow, you do it in squirts. So the first pirate goes and squirts 3 squirts into the bowl. So 3 squirts of milk in the bowl. Captain tried it and like, "Oh, it's still way too dry. It needs a lot more than that." And then the pirate goes, 5 more squirts for him. Puts 5 more squirts. So they put 3 squirts first and then 5 more squirts into the bowl. How many squirts of milk did the pirate put in the bowl in all for the captain? So draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solve the problem. This would be a good place to press pause on the video, so that way you can see or can take the time to do the problem. Okay, now that we're on to the next problem. So after that, the captain realized he needed a lot more milk. 8 squirts wasn't going to do it. So there are already 8 squirts in the bowl. So pirate captain says, "You need to put a lot more in." And the pirate goes, "Okay." And he goes, 11 squirts now. Put 11 more squirts in the bowl. So now how many squirts are in the bowl? Remember, they had 8. They just put 11 more. Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solve that problem. This is once again a good place to press pause so that you can work on the problem. When you're done with it, press play again and we'll move on to the next problem. Okay, the next problem. So the pirate captain decided that was enough milk. So he started to eat the food and drink the milk with it. He drank kind of funny. So he's drinking the milk with he drank some of the milk until there were only 6 squirts left in the coconut bowl. How many squirts of milk did he drink? Remember, he started with 19 squirts of milk in the bowl. He drank some, and now there's only 6 squirts left. How many squirts of milk did he drink? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solve the problem. This is a good time to press pause on the video. When you're finished with the problem, press play again, and we'll move on to our next problem. Okay, our final problem today. So after the pirate captain finished, he gave the rest of the stuff to his crew because he wasn't hungry anymore. He's like, "You guys can eat the rest." So there was a whole bunch left. And the pirates made a whole bunch of coconut bowls. And the pirate who was doing the milking for everybody. He milked 43 squirts. He did the milking and he got 43 squirts out of that cow before his hand got so tired that he couldn't do anymore. So then another pirate took his place, and that pirate milked 32 squirts. How many squirts did they milk in all? If one pirate milked 43 squirts and the other pirate did 32 squirts, how many squirts did they do in all? Draw a picture and write an equation to show how you solve the problem. I'm going to give you a hint. Those are pretty big numbers. When we're using big numbers, try using base 10 blocks. It makes it easier to solve the problem. That way, you're not trying to count tons and tons of little circles. So, use base 10 blocks. This is the end of the video, so you don't have to pause it this time. Thank you, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. I hope that these were some fun story and that you're excited to continue this story tomorrow. Thanks. Bye. Have a good one.